In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a checklist from one Trello card to another. Start by opening Trello in your browser and making sure you're signed into your Atlassian account. If Trello opens straight to your workspace or your boards, you're ready to go. If not, just complete the login process first so you can access the board that contains the checklist you want to copy. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the board where your original card is located. This is the board that already has the checklist you want to duplicate. Take a moment to find the correct list, and then the specific card that contains that checklist. Click on that card to open it. When the card opens, you'll see the full card details, including the description, any attachments, due dates, and of course the checklist section if one has already been added. Scroll a little if needed until the checklist is fully visible. Now look at the checklist you want to copy. If the card has more than one checklist, make sure you're working with the right one. Trello gives you options directly inside each checklist, so focus on the specific checklist you want to move or duplicate onto another card. Near that checklist, click the option labeled Copy. This opens the Checklist Copy menu. In this area, Trello lets you choose where the copied checklist should go and what name it should use. This is the key part of the process, so just move through it carefully. First, choose the destination card. Trello will give you a way to select which card should receive the checklist. Click into the destination field and pick the card you want to copy the checklist to. If the card is on the same board, you should be able to select it from the available options. Make sure you choose the correct card, especially if several cards have similar titles. Next, check the checklist name field. Trello may automatically keep the same checklist name from the original card, which is usually fine if you want an exact copy. But if needed, you can type a new checklist name here so it makes more sense on the destination card. For example, if the checklist is being reused for a different stage of a project, renaming it can help keep things organized. After you've selected the destination card and confirmed the checklist name, click Add. As soon as you do that, Trello creates a copy of the checklist and places it onto the destination card you selected. The original checklist stays where it is, and the new one is added to the other card as a duplicate. Now that the copy step is done, open the destination card so you can confirm everything worked properly. Find that card on your board and click it to open the details. Look for the checklist section and make sure the copied checklist appears there. Check that the checklist title is correct and that the checklist items were copied over as expected. If the original checklist had multiple tasks inside it, those should now appear in the copied version as well. This quick verification step is helpful because it lets you catch any mistake right away, like selecting the wrong card or using the wrong checklist name. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's it. You've successfully copied a checklist from one Trello card to another. This is especially useful when you're repeating the same workflow across different tasks, team assignments, or project stages, because it saves time and keeps your cards consistent. If you don't see the checklist on the destination card right away, try refreshing the board or reopening the card. In most cases, though, it appears immediately after you click Add. Also, remember that you're copying the checklist, not moving it, so the original remains on the first card unless you manually remove it later. One more helpful tip. If you regularly reuse the same group of checklist items, keeping a template card on your board can make this even faster. You can store your standard checklists on that card and copy them whenever needed, instead of rebuilding them from scratch every time. Once you've verified the checklist is there, you're all set. Congratulations, you've completed the process, and now know exactly how to copy a checklist from one Trello card to another.